Okay, so let's do the arpeggio exercise. Okay, I will start the metronome on 60 and I will be increasing one beat each 3 measures. Okay, let's go, guys. Please play with me. Once that you know the exercise, play with me at the same time. Let's see, I'm going to put it closer. 1, 2, 3, and... Feel tighter with the left hand, open the chord, okay? 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5. With the chord. We are on 80 right now. You can open the chord whenever you want, okay? If you feel tired with the left hand. 5 minutes, okay, just an arpeggio exercise. You will feel so much different if you do just for 5 minutes this really easy exercise on a really slowly motion, because you will be warming up your right hand. Always remember that if you feel tired, you don't have to do the chord with me. You can open and you'll follow myself just with a arpeggio whenever you want. Okay, so let's see the next exercises.